Hello there. What do you do with a Nissan Micra K11 that has a broken high-level brake light? Well, there are two choices. Number 1, scrap the car, or number 2, fix it in only 5 minutes. I'll get the toolbox. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Right. To remove the brake light, we have to undo 2 nuts. There's one down there, and there's one here. Here's a close-up, and as we can see, each nut lives at the bottom of a narrow tube. On this basis, we can only get to those nuts with a very narrow socket, specifically an 8mm. For example, this 8mm socket fits perfectly because it's narrow along its entire length. In contrast, this socket, even though it's another 8mm, won't fit because it's too wide at the base. And that's just one of the reasons you can never own too many tools. Anyway, let's get these nuts out. And there we are, 2 little nuts. And now the nuts are out the way, the brake light can simply fall out of position like so, which gives us access to its electrical connector, which is that white thing there. To remove the electrical connector, push in this tab at the top and hold it, and now simply pull the thing apart. Come on. Nearly there. Got it. As for getting a replacement light, well, they're available second-hand on eBay. The cheapest I've seen is £25 and the most expensive is £40. By the way, if you want to test your new brake light before installation, simply grab a 12-volt battery. This one happens to be a jump pack for engines. Add a couple of leads and then give the light some power. There we go. Neat, eh? As for fitting the new light, simply connect the power, do up the nuts, and finally check the light works. And there we go. A new brake light fitted in only 5 minutes, which is far better than the other option. Anyway, that's it for now, but before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.